2019 Ford Ranger XLT FX4 Crew Cab 4x4. Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. We got a one owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, balance of factory warranty remaining Ford Ranger here with 52,000 miles. It is the XLT, so air cruise tilt, power windows, power locks, remote keyless entry, Bluetooth. It does have the locking rear diff, and it does have the off-road FX4 package. Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, all the goodies. More of your basic truck. It's not a work truck by any means, but it's not overly loaded. That's why it's not $40,000. Factory spray and liner. Tires are deep. Yeah, just a nice little truck here. So let's talk about a few things here. Let's talk about financing. Fill out the app at AutoramaAuto.com, and when you're pre-approved, we can have you done in less than 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you here all day. Seriously, we know people hate that. We don't do that to you. While you're in finance, you can upgrade the warranty very reasonably since it's still under factory warranty. And yeah, let's talk about price. So we won't have the lowest advertised prices. These big dealerships, they advertise super low prices, but what they don't put in writing is all the fees they have. And I'm not talking about motor vehicle fees. You got to pay that regardless. No, I'm talking about reconditioning fees, service fees, dock fees, management fees, market fees, you name it. We don't do that stuff. We do not do that garbage. It's wrong. It's probably illegal. Price you see is the price you pay. We do have a $145 dock fee. That is just disclosed. We disclose it on the website. So, again, let's recap. One owner, 2019, 52,000 miles, independently inspected, factory warranty, 4x4, serviced, reconned, fast financing, warranty, and no hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.